So when you have concrete driveways that start to settle and start to tilt, there's a couple ways and a couple reasons why that happened. The first reason is when they went in to install the driveway and pour the driveway, they didn't compact the soil and the gravel underneath it correctly. So over time, Mother Nature compacts it for you, creates that void, and once you have that void there, the concrete follows. Your other method is a lack of maintenance. You have a gutter in that area or a downspout that has not been maintained, and the water is running back towards the driveway and it is flushing out the soil and components underneath it, creating that void. There are two methods to bringing the concrete back up to plumb. One is the polyurethane injection, which is a 1-to-1 component that you inject directly underneath the driveway itself, and as it gets injected, it goes in like water, finds all the crevices, and then it reacts. As it reacts, it starts to expand. Once it expands, it uses the bottom of your driveway as a barrier, and it compacts the soil. And once it compacts that soil enough, it starts the recovery process. So you get a little bit of two repairs at that point. It's helping you compact the soil that's loose, so that way it doesn't flush out immediately after. And it also knows that you have enough strength to lift that up. Your other method is mudjacking, which is about the same repair plan. You come in, you inject it directly under the driveway, but that one is thicker. So what it does is it just fills the top layer of the soil and lifts. So it's not getting into the cracks and crevices. It's not expanding to compact the soil, but you will get the immediate fix. You won't get the long-lasting effect with the mudjacking as you would polyjacking.